Best car dash camera under $500 in 2021. Which is the best for you? Hello, welcome to my channel. If it's true that a picture is worth 1,000 words, then a video must be worth millions, especially in the event of an automobile accident. Now you can keep your eyes on the road and trust that these car dash cameras are doing the same, both in front of as well as behind your vehicle. They record all they see in high-quality video, in case you need evidence after a collision. We are present the top 10 car dash camera 2021. Let's get started with the lists. 1. Vantrue T2 Pro. The highly capable Vantrue T2 Pro, about $200, can record in one direction at a 1440p resolution or to both the inside and outside simultaneously at 1080p. Its high-end Sony sensor is able to process the stream in HDR to provide clear video evidence. It has feature with infrared LEDs for night vision, collision detection and 24-hour parking mode. 2. Garmin 66W. If you don't want your monitoring system to stand out, consider the Garmin 66W, around $219, which is barely larger than its 2-inch LCD screen, yet provides impressive image quality, thanks to a 1440p sensor with HDR capability and a 180-degree recording field of view. It has feature with convenient smartphone control, lane departure warnings and red light and speed camera alerts. 3. Nextbase 522 GW. With a maximum image quality of 1440p and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, the Nextbase 522 GW, around $360, has plenty to offer and is priced accordingly. As an added bonus, it has Alexa built in to provide access to music, in-car calling, directions, and much more besides. It has feature with front and rear cameras, safeguards footage of accidents and automatically syncs files to phone. 4. VAVA Dual Dash Cam. This is the first dual dash cam on the market that the resolution can reach up dual 1920*1080p at 30 fps under simultaneously recording, while the others only 720p. This is first dual dash cam that adopted NT96663 CPU and dual Sony sensor. The front is Sony IMX307, the rear is Sony IMX323. It features night vision dash cam and 24 hours parking monitor. 5. Yi Nightscape. Powered by a reliable supercapacitor, the Yi Nightscape, about $69, continues to work even if it's freezing cold outside or the sun is baking your vehicle's interior. It can also warn you of lane departures and other miscues, in case you get tired behind the wheel. It has feature with Wi-Fi connectivity, sleek and clutter-free design, and all images are watermarked. 6. Crossdoor County Route 300. The high dynamic contrast range of the Crossdoor County Route 300, around $37, enables it to capture license plates and visual details even in low-light situations or at night. Among its useful features is an automatic video locking function that activates when it picks up sudden vibrations. It has feature with 3-inch LCD screen, 170-degree field of view and suction on windscreen mount can fail. 7. Viofo A129. The Viofo A129, around $90, has both front and rear-facing cameras, making it a good option for anyone who drives a taxi. Not only can you keep track of bad behavior on the road, but you can also keep an eye on passengers to ensure there's nothing untoward going on behind you. It has feature with lever-operated suction cup, automatically records over old video and night vision lacks clarity. 8. Viofo A129 Pro Duo. The Viofo A129 Pro Duo, around $249, excels as far as image quality is concerned, with dual 4K cameras offering a viewing angle of 140 degrees to both the front and rear. Other notable features include motion detection, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, and a buffered parking mode. It has feature with emergency recording function, effective night vision and front camera is quite bulky. 9. Vantrue T2. Because it uses a long-lasting capacitor rather than a battery, the Vantrue T2, around $149, has a much wider operating temperature range than most others. It's compatible with a matching GPS mount that lets you append video with your location and speed. It has feature with adjustable motion detection area, 18-month warranty and no view of interior. 10. Garmin Mini. If subtlety is important to you, then the Garmin Mini, around $90, installs easily and is small enough to go unnoticed behind the rearview mirror. It constantly records footage in a loop, which can be viewed via the companion app that also serves as its controller. It has feature with 1080p video quality, connects to Wi-Fi networks and no dedicated display screen. Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel, and don't forget hit the subscribe button.